ground. We said we wouldn't yet, but somehow we ended up in smoke clouds. Yeah, it's about time we trusted and ignored the road signs. Let's go another round for old time's sake, making our way along the slow tides with closed eyes. I just had enough. My thoughts are coming to a stop, stuck in the deadlock, not moving forward, dwelling non-stop.